this is going to be an integration by parts problem. I can tell that it is because these two functions, the blue and the pink, really have nothing to do with each other. Two different functions. They're not, one is not the result of another. So integration by parts would be a great jumping off point. In that case, you set up like this. Okay. For the blue side, I chose x squared. Oops. Okay, this is the side where you're going to take the derivative. It's a good choice because eventually, if the integration by parts has to be repeated, the derivative will eventually become a constant, and it's easy to take the integral of that for the later setups. Okay, out of the pink side, this is this part where we'll take the derivative, the integral. Okay, start off with this. If you integrate this, you'll get this for u. So then we're going to make our, what I call the lucky 7. Okay, and you follow this pattern. Okay, to set up your integration by parts equation, v times u, that's going to be x squared. Oops, it starts off without the integral sign. Okay, so I'm going to multiply v times u, that. Then it's going to be subtracting the integral of the diagonal part here, u times dv. Okay, that's 1/2 e to 2x. I'm going to kind of shorten this word. Oh, no, no. 1/2 times 2 cancels out. So that's e to 2x second, x e to 2x dx. Okay, so we keep going. Unfortunately, we have to do integration by parts again. X e to 2x again have nothing to do with another. So we will repeat integration by parts. This one's a little easier, at least. Okay, so v is just going to be x. To derive that is going to be just 1 dx or just dx. I'll worry about that later. We set up du as e to 2x dx again. Take the integral of that. It's the same as we did before. Okay, so lucky 7. I'm going to bring the entire equation down. The rest of the way is just doing this integration work. Make sure to start it off with the parentheses. This x first, actually. Now let's finish this off all the way. Okay. Okay, don't forget to distribute the minus sign here as well. Okay, and now you can factor out e to the 2x. I'll do it in purple. It becomes kind of clear what the answer is. So I don't know, plus c. Okay. The pink part, whatever's inside the pink box, is going to be f of x here. And you can see that that's multiplied to e to the 2x as a factor. Okay, so whatever's in the pink box is going to be your answer. And that's why the answer is going to be C for this one.